Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Have you ever wondered what everything around us is made of? Is there a limit to how things can get smaller? Today, we're going on a microscopic adventure to explore the fundamental building blocks of our world, atoms. These tiny particles are so small you wouldn't even be able to see one with a regular microscope, but they are the essential ingredients that make up everything, from flowers to trees to rivers, and from houses to buildings to the planets and stars and the whole universe. So, in this lesson, we'll unravel the secrets of atoms. So, be ready to enter the incredible world of the atom.
The definition is an atom is the smallest and invisible unit of matter. It is made up of two parts and three particles. The parts are nucleus and electron cloud, the particles protons, electrons, and neutrons. As you see, the particles are located in or on the parts. To understand this idea better, let us look at the characteristics of each particle. Let's start with electrons. Their symbol is E-. They are located on the electron clouds. They are negatively charged and their mass is 9.11 times 10 power minus 28 gram or 9.11 times 10 power minus 31 kilograms. And the protons, their symbol is P+. They are located inside the nucleus. They are positively charged and their mass is 1.67 times 10 to the power minus 24 gram or 1.67 times 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. And now the neutrons. Their symbol is N0. They are located also inside the nucleus. Their relative charge is 0. They are neutral. Their mass is the same as the mass of the protons. And now we have very important rules to keep in mind. Atomic mass, which is symbol Z, equals the number of protons. Mass number, which is A, equal number of protons plus number of neutrons. A equals Z plus N, number of protons plus number of neutrons. N equal A minus Z, Z equal A minus N. The nucleons is the number of protons plus number of neutrons. Let's go to the atomic representation. An atom is represented by three important elements: X, A, Z. A is the mass number, X is the symbol of element, Z is the atomic number. Example 1. Chlorine atom has 17 protons and 18 neutrons. Write the atomic representation. We have X and Z, and we have a missing element which is A, so we have to calculate it. Before calculating it, we must define Z, which equals the number of protons, which is 17. Hence, A equals 17 plus 18 equals 35. So now we can write it Cl3517. And now let's talk about the composition. There are two types of compositions in an atom. Nuclear composition, which means the number of protons and neutrons. Atomic composition, which means the number of all the particles found in this atom. And there is a very important rule that we always mention when talking about atomic composition, which is in a neutral atom, Z equal number of protons equal number of electrons. For example, when determining the atomic composition of oxygen, which has 8 protons and 8 neutrons, we find out that we have the number of protons and the number of neutrons, and we have the number of electrons missing. So now we can use the rule. In a neutral atom, Z equal number of protons equal number of electrons equal 8. And now we can write that the atomic composition of O is that the number of protons equal 8, number of electrons equals 8, and the number of neutrons is also 8. The charge. Nuclear charge is the number of protons times charge of one proton, number of neutrons times charge of one neutron. And the charge of electron cloud, number of electrons times charge of an electron. And the atomic charge, which is the total charge, equals nuclear charge plus electron cloud charge, which equals 0, because the atom is neutral. Finally, I hope you benefited from this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in another videos. Goodbye.